this right here, if you get one of these, you can use the rinseless wash solution because it softens water anyway. So it's probably good for this, for the pipes. It's just a theory, but hopefully it don't mess up anything, but I don't think it will. So I go ahead and shoot this as my pre-spray instead of using a pump sprayer. I just feel like it's faster. So I would pre-rinse this, then I'll get my designated rinseless wash sponge, and I'll just start rinsing. If it's too dirty, rinse it off first. But this works even on really dirty cars. If you have to do it twice, it's fine. If you want a clay bar in between, you can do that as well. So you can pre-rinse, clay bar it, and then wash it, and then dry and wax it off. Pre-rinse. This doesn't need clay bar. It's a maintenance client, so maybe every once in a while, but you apply no pressure at all, top to bottom. And then I use all that for the window, so you can now flip it. I already did this right here, so you can do right here. It's already lubricated. That's all you're really looking for, is that lubrication. And then you just go. And then if you look at the sponge, you zoom in. It's perfectly clean. So there is going to be no scarring or scratching with the rinseless wash. With the mitt, I actually think that you're more likely to scratch the paint because the fabrics are holding on to dirt. Whatever you're using, the mitt is holding on to dirt. You can try to scratch it, whatever, at the bottom of the bucket like most people do. You're not getting all that off. This right here, it has that material where the dirt just falls right off as soon as it hits the water. So this is a way more safer method, in my opinion, and it's way more mobile. You can do all this in a car. If you want to show them just the little amount of equipment I have, that's it. This right here, this is it, and the vacuum on the other side. That's it. You can fit it in that car right there. You can fit it in any car, any size. We have two other guys. One of the girls had a car that was probably, I don't know, 30% smaller than that one. And she fit everything. And she cleans houses. So she was able to fit her house cleaning stuff and her mobile detailing stuff. So the rinseless wash is really the way to go if you're gonna be mobile. Carrying around all the water and all that stuff, that used to be cool, whatever, and it looks cool. Foam can and all this other stuff. That's what I used to do. It's too much of a headache and it's too expensive, and you know, for me to be competitive, this is what I do. So y'all keep that $20,000 van. I'm gonna keep my Malibu with my little setup, all right? I don't know. How would you say, as far as working, the actual labor, how long did it take me to do that side?
20 minutes.
Come on, man.
30, 20 minutes.
This one side, we was sitting here for 20 minutes.
Oh, no.
This side right here.
Oh, like 10.
When you first started recording me right here.
Yeah, like, oh, like a minute or two.
Exactly. Now you're going to have to make me bust out proof because they're going to say I'm lying. Oh my God. Record the other side so they don't know I'm lying.
Okay.
20 minutes. 20 minutes to wash one side of a car. Okay. All right. Solution going through the machine. A little over $400 for that thing. Worth it for me. Worth it for me. Like I said, don't need clay bar, so just gonna wash it. We'll see how long it takes. Start at the top again. We don't need clay barred, so we're just gonna and I'm using the same side for the windows. There's no pressure being applied. Except for y'all. Y'all are the detailers. Trying to scrub a car with this. So I flipped it. I flipped it just in case you didn't see. No dirt. Apply it back right here. And really, from my experience, more of the scratching that I notice, it's not even during the wash. It's during the drying process. Flip, just so you think I didn't flip. Next panel. Oh, crap. If you accidentally go to the bottom too fast, just re-dip it so you don't take the bottom dirt to the top. And then finish out this side. The top half, where it's a lot less dirty. You can use the same side right under that, then flip it. This is where I'll do the bottom. Then take this turtle wax. No, I'm just kidding. It's not turtle wax. See how old it is? Yeah, because I've been reusing it. So all them haters out there saying I'm using turtle wax. Wax the whole thing. That's all you need. There's already a lot of wax on this thing. Start right at the top. If you're wondering which rinseless wash to use, I came back to O&R. I was using Absolute, but I feel like the O&R cleans better, and they don't leave back as much of a haze. So, look, no dirt. There's no dirt on there. I'm not even pressing down on it, like I'm just gliding it across. No dirt. But you guys gotta stop being so uptight about little hairline scratches anyway. You get hairline scratches just from driving on the highway. The wind will scratch your car. When I first got that, brand new, I already had scratches on it. It had 1 mile on it, so. I'm a detailer that's based in reality, not marketing necessarily. Say what? Oh, thank you. Come over here so you can catch that shine. So you can do this whole thing, rims and everything, usually 40 minutes for me, you know, me taking my time. If I really wanted to bust it out, you know, you could probably do it in like 25 minutes if you you know, really need to get somewhere or something. And an hour if you're super slow that day, you're just feeling lazy. So